here we are. They have arrived. We have a box with 3 boxes in it. All 600. Obviously, I don't like.
You'll be fine.
I know. Look how many there are. It's just, oh, that's so pretty. That's so pretty. Oh, that looks really nice. Oh, hello, nice little booklet. Oh, oh, look at that gold. Does it look lovely? So the idea behind these is that you can put, I'm going to get distracted looking at these. I'm trying to talk at the same time. The idea is that you can put these in a handbag or your pocket, take them away wherever you are, and just take yourself off for a coffee. Do whatever it is that you fancy doing. Oh, I am so pleased with these. So they take you through a journey of how to look after yourself. There's different ways of how to slow down. That's why it's important. There's how can you create your calm. There is some help there on with breathing. There is taking calm with you, which is really important. We've got some finger breathing there, how to do it. My self-care, what we can do for ourselves. Oh my gosh, I am proper excited by this. So it's a lovely A6 size. You can see the size of it, which is a really nice size. It's 22 pages. Oh, look at that mood tracker. So the idea with the mood tracker is you colour a star in on however you've been feeling. How you can show yourself kindness. And then the last page there, words of wisdom to yourself, self-care log. And then on the back is how you can get in touch with us. And then, so little booklets are £2.50 each plus postage and package. I'm going to bob to the post office tomorrow because I'm hoping that can go through as a stamp, just a stamp on it in an envelope. So I will let you know the postage and costs, but the booklet itself is £2.50. If you would like a copy, just let me know. Thank you.